Hello everyone. A modern gate is not just entrance to your house. It is the first impression of your property. A well-designed gate enhances the security and improve the aesthetic and increase the property value and complement your home architecture. So whatever you are building or new house, renovating your bungalow or upgrade your villa entrance, choosing the right gate design is extremely important. In today's video, we will discuss the modern gate designs, their advantages, materials, types, and latest prices in India. So the first we know why is modern gates important. A gate serves as multiple purpose. The first is the security. The primary purpose of any gate is protect your property from unauthorized access. The modern gates provide of privacy while maintaining an elegant experience. A stylish gate can provide significant improve your home exterior look, and premium gate designs can increase the resale value of your property. The modern materials offer to the long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. And now we know types of modern gate designs. The MS gates are more of strong and most popular choice in India. It's a strong and durable and budget friendly. These are available in various designs and easy customization. The price in India starting at 250 rupees per square foot. And stainless steel gate. This is the stainless steel gates provide premium and modern appearance. These are rust resistance, long lifespan, modern look and low maintenance. The price is 500 rupees per square feet. And laser cut design gate. These gates are futures, integrate patterns created of using laser cut technology. These are luxury appearance, unique designs, and excellent visual appeal. Price range is the 900 rupees per square feet. And aluminum modern gate. These aluminum gates are becoming increasingly popular. These are the lightweight and corrosion resistant, modern aesthetic and easy maintenance. The price range is 600 rupees per square feet. Wooden finish metal gate. This combination the strength of metal with the beauty of wood. These are elegant appearance, weather resistant and premium look. The price range is 600 rupees per square feet. Sliding gate designs. These are ideal for homes with limited driveway space. These are space saving, smooth operation and modern appearance. The price range is 25,000 rupees each gate, or you want more premium and designer look gates, it will be cost going to the 40,000 plus. Automatic gate. These are perfect for luxury homes and villas. These are remote control option, enhance the security and modern technology. The price will be 60,000 rupees. The latest modern gate designs, horizontal slit gates. These are simple, elegant, and contemporary. Geometric pattern gates, stylish designs with modern shapes. Black matte finish gates, one of the most popular trends in modern architecture. And wood texture gates, natural appearance with modern durability. The clean lines and sophistication designs. And material quality. The premium materials cost more, but it's offered to them better durability. Laser cut and custom designs increase the pricing, and larger gates require more materials and labor. And automatic features like motorized system significantly increase the cost, and premium finishes improve the durability and appearance. So before choosing gate, that remember these important points. Match the gate design with your home architecture. Consider the security and requirements. Select weather resistant materials. Check maintenance requirements, choosing the high quality hardware and hints, and plans of futures of automation if needed. So estimate cost common homes like small homes, gate size will be 10 to 12 feet. The cost will be 20,000. Like duplex homes, the gate size will be 12 to 16 feet. The cost will be 40,000 rupees. Villas, the gate size is the 60 to 24 feet. The cost will be 70 to 80,000 or 1 lakh. And modern gate is a perfect combination of security, style, and functionality. Whatever you were choosing, MS gates, stainless steel gates, aluminum gates, sliding gates, or automatic gates, investing in good quality design can transform the overall appearance of your home. Choose the gate that match your budget, complement your architecture, and provide long-term durability. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video, Please don't forget to the like, share, and subscribe for more home decor ideas. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.